Well, guys, hello. The idea in this moment is that I'm going to explain you what you have to do to present the synthesis project activity that you have to do it on May 31st. Well, the first thing you are going to enter to the blog, this blog or your teacher's blog, and you are going to find here this video. The first thing you have to do is watch this video. Well, so you're gonna find here click here to go. Yes, that is the link step by step. Well, so click in there and you are gonna find here information about the introduction, what is the task, well, what you are gonna learn in this part. Well, the first part, you have to watch the video in order to understand the unit rates. Yes, when you watch the video, you can learn about it. That is so easy. Next, here says print and solve the activity. It's not mandatory that print it. Well, only you can get. Click here in that link. Well, open another window and click when say here, and the file is going to download. If you want print it and solve, if not, you can do it in your notebook as you prefer. This guide, this workshop is only to practice. Well, it's not a score, it's to practice according to the topic that is explained in the video. Well, so when you finish to do that, you close. Well, next here is say it's time for a virtual experiment. Well, so you can give click in there. Also, you have the option here in the blog. Click here to download the program if you want to have the program, or here in the blog you have the option to play with that. Well, so what is the idea with this activity? We are gonna select first the car, the racing lab. Yes, double click, and it's gonna open. Well, here said that the little rate one, we are gonna put miles 40 and hours 2. So here in this one, rate 1, miles 40 and hours 2. Well, this one is the first thing you have to place. Well, now what happened? Here says that you are gonna have some distance and some time hours. You copy this chart in your notebook. Well, this one you have to copy in your notebook because later you need this information. Write this one in your notebook, the distance, and next you are gonna do the time. For example, imagine, it's an example because I'm not gonna give you the real one. I have 15 miles. With this flag, you are gonna select the information that is here in the distance. Well, so in my case, I'm gonna start with 15. Well, 15 miles. When I have the flag in 15, I press the green button here and it's gonna move. So I have that the distance is 15, the distance in miles, yes, distance in miles, and the time in hours is 0.75. This number, I have to write it here in my chart on my notebook. Well, and you continue. The next is 40. In my case, the next is gonna be 30. Well, and I put it, and again, the green button. In 30 miles is 1.5 hours. Come on to my notebook and write here 1.5 hours. Well, now what happened? Obviously, you have to do it with the different information that is in this case. So you start that the first one is 20, next is 40, 60, yes, and so on. You can do it one by one. Well, after do this one, obviously if you want to practice, you can put here 2 cars and practice with 2 cars. Yes, here also playing the information according what you need. Well, but remember that the correct one, yes, is here, this one, and it's in 40. Don't forget 40 and 2 hours, 40 miles in 2 hours. Well, when you finish that, the idea is that you have to know the result of each one, dividing. Well, dividing in each one to know the how many miles did it take per hour. Well, in order to do that, next you have to watch this video. So click here and you are gonna find here the video. Well, in Math Antics, you are gonna watch the video about how to graph. Well, and you are gonna watch the video and you are gonna learn how to do it. Well, when you watch the video, the only thing that you have to present to your teacher is the graph, yes, according to the explanation of the video, in a millimetrical paper. It's the green paper with little squares. You have to do that. Well, when do you have to give that? May 31st. Next Friday, May 31st is the only day you have to present it. Well, for that reason, you have a lot of days to do it, and it's not difficult, it's so easy. So please be careful with that, and don't forget only the day to present it. Thank you so much.